Step into our production facility, where various aluminum profile products flow orderly along the production lines. Inside the workshop, aluminum profiles of different specifications and cross-sections are neatly arranged, from multi-chamber structural profiles for door and window systems, high-strength framing materials dedicated to curtain walls, to the diverse cross-sectional designs of customized industrial aluminum profiles, along with the gloss and texture of finished aluminum materials after surface treatment, all clearly demonstrate the precision manufacturing capabilities of modern industry. All profiles undergo cutting, processing, and quality inspection processes on the production line, with digital systems ensuring dimensional accuracy and quality stability for each batch. Every step from raw materials to finished products is fully presented within this space.